Hey, it's Scott from the Cedar Workshop, and today we're working on a barbecue scraper. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of wood like this, we're going to put a pattern on it, and then we'll cut it out, and then we'll do some fine tuning so you can make something like this. Makes a great gift for Father's Day or any other gift for someone that likes to do a lot of barbecuing. Okay, let's get started. So before we get started, you're going to need a jigsaw, a sander, a pattern from the internet. Pattern. I'll include a link to a downloadable PDF. And you just print this out on 2 pieces of 8.5 by 14 legal size paper, and you just put it down on your piece of wood, trace it out, and then a handy thing to have to get your angles and your edges if you don't have a router is to use a rasp, and then start with some 80 grit paper and then some 100 grit paper to sand the edges. So okay, now you can see we ran it over the barbecue and we got some grooves going in there. Not bad. I honestly thought it would burn more since this particular one is made of pine, which is a softwood, but that's alright. This one here, this is my fir with just one coat of varnish, so that's not bad. And so there we go, we're done. So just in a couple hours you can make your own barbecue scraper and makes a good present for someone that just loves to do a lot of barbecuing. So thanks for watching.